MTD Yard Machine Rear Wheel Removal Instructions. Repairing a flat tire on a riding mower usually requires you to remove the tire from the mower. Removing a rear tire on an MTD Yard machine is a bit different than most mowers. Instead of using a square key to lock the rim to the axle, the MTD Yard machine uses a center axle bolt to secure the tire. Over time, the tire rim and axle adhere together due to heat and rust. Removing the rear wheel of a MTD Yard machine may require a bit of brute force. Things you'll need: half-inch socket and socket wrench, breaker bar, bottle jack or floor jack, 2 jack stands, spray penetrating lubricant, hammer. Park the MTD Yard machine on a level surface and set the parking brake. Pull the cap off the center of the rear wheel rim with a pair of pliers. Loosen the center bolt with an inch socket wrench. It might be necessary to use a breaker bar on your socket wrench handle for extra leverage when loosening the wheel bolt. Do not remove the bolt completely. Position a bottle jack or floor jack under the rear frame of the yard machine. Raise the rear of the mower until the tire is 3 inches off the ground. Place a jack stand under the frame on each side of the jack. Lower the jack just enough to place the weight of the mower on the jack stands. Soak the axle where it meets the rim at the front of the rim and back of the rim with penetrating lubricant. Allow the lubricant to work for 15 minutes. Strike the head of the axle bolt with a hammer 3 times to knock away some of the rust adhering the axle to the rim. Remove the center bolt completely with the socket wrench. Grab the tire on 2 sides and pull it straight off the axle. Tips: warnings. It might be necessary to thread the center bolt back into the axle and strike the head again with a hammer several more times to free the axle from the tire rim.